Greetings, savvy viewers. Jumping right into it, we're tackling the transition from Forex trading to diversified online income streams in 2024. First stop, leverage your Forex knowledge. Create and share content based on your expertise. Next, diversify. Freelancing, affiliate marketing, digital product creation. The possibilities are endless. Don't forget to stay informed. Google, read, follow reputable sources. Technology is your ally, embrace it. Automated trading systems, AI tools, platforms that simplify online income, they're all at your disposal. Also, remember to invest in yourself through courses and workshops. Networking, another essential. Build connections, join forums, attend virtual events. Efficient time management is vital, remember to balance. Consistent content creation is key. Establish a schedule, build a dedicated audience. Challenges? They're opportunities in disguise. Learn, adapt, thrive. That's your roadmap from Forex trading to a flourishing online income in 2024. Like, share, subscribe for more insights. Until next time, happy earning.